Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to do is show you guys how to get the Dead Bride makeup tutorial for Halloween. This is what I'm going for today. This is why I have no makeup on right now, because I'm trying to show you guys how to transform into this. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. I'm going in with this color right here. I'm just kind of placing it underneath. So now I'm going in with some contour. I'm taking this one here. What you're going to do is do the fishy face. Just blend it out. I want my contour to be a little bit more intense, so I'm going back in. Okay, so what we're going to do is basically make this contour defined. So to make it a little bit more intense, I'm going to go back in with that. And what I'm doing is basically focusing this where I want to cut. And what I'm doing is just blending this out now. So now we're going to make some veins under the eyes. I'm taking this crown brush. It's the chisel detail brush. This is what it looks like in shade with the James Charles palette. And what we're doing is we are basically making small little vein. So now I'm going to go in with some black shadow and kind of blend everything out. Alright, so I have black on the same brush. So now I'm just blending everything. So now what we're gonna do is we are gonna basically just make little details. Go over my lips with the white. And then what I'm doing is just gonna blend it out with my finger. For some added detail, I'm gonna do a little bit on my nose. Alright guys, this is what we're looking like right now.
Priscilla's like, who is that?
Priscilla's looking at me like I'm a monster. So now we need to get into the blood. So this is going to be the fun part. So we're going to make some wounds on our face and our neck area. This is what we're going to be using. So that's the amount that I put on. I'm going to let that dry. Alright guys, so what I'm actually going to do is go in with a little bit more black, and I'm going to make this a little bit more darker, and we're just going to pack this right here. Okay, so this latex is almost dry. So now we're going to make a cut out of it. And I'm not really liking the size of it, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the Flesh latex. And we're just going to pack this on top. I want this to be a really big wound on our head. Okay, so I'm going to pack with another layer. With this, you always want to put it in layers because you need to open the wound. We're going to let that dry. We are still waiting for this to dry, guys. I'm grabbing some tweezers. We're going to go back in with the James Charles palette again. It's that same color. I'm going to go in with a little black. Back in with that same red color, and I'm placing this directly in the center. And back in with that black, placing that directly in the center, and I'm blending out. We are using this gel blood. Now that we have the gel blood, what I'm going to do is put, oh, I literally just dropped that everywhere. I'm placing this all around. Now what I'm going to do is actually make a little tear of blood. And that, just let it fall on its own. And now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to stop that one there though. And I'm taking what I caught on my finger and I'm placing this around my nose area. I'm going to go in with a little bit of that Flesh latex again. And I'm placing this right next to this wound here. I'm going to let that dry and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is dry now. I use the same exact colors. And now we're going to use the blood. If you really want to go all out, you can go all the way down to the body in your chest area, but I'm not going to do that. So in the picture, it looks like she just has right here shaded in to look like a bruise right here and on the side. Same shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm blending this down. In the same liquid latex. So I'm basically just opening it up with my fingers. I'm using the same exact colors. So now what I'm going to do is line underneath and on top and put lashes on, and I'll be right back. As we wait for the lash glue to dry, I'm going to be going in with Gerard Cosmetics Melrose Place lip pencil. Now I'm going in with Whirl by MAC. Back in with that black color. I'm going back in with that red color. I'm going back in with a little bit more of this blood. More of that blood in the inner corner here, so it can be a little bit more fresh. I'm just adding a little bit more blood to make this a little bit more gory. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Please be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below of any future looks that you would like to see from me, and please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel to see any future content. Hope you like this video.